These 5 astounding benefits of clapping will make your jaw drop. You might have clapped your hands several times in appreciation, but after knowing its benefits, you will make it a habit. We have all seen elderly people clap their hands with full force in parks. Of course, it does seem a little weird, but you will be surprised to know that clapping your hands has some major health benefits. To be honest, the benefits of clapping your hands are not just restricted to physical health benefits, but also enhance your mental well-being. Maybe that's why the elderly can't stop clapping their hands. Here's how clapping can really help you. The activity of clapping your hands can be done early in the morning to receive a number of benefits. It is a powerful mental and physical stimulant as it activates your energy chakras and improves blood circulation in the body. Moreover, it acts as a positive affirmation and also engages your body. Let's look at the multiple benefits of clapping your hands as a form of exercise for the mind and body. One of the reasons behind it is that when you clap the acupressure points at your palms, the rejuvenation of your mind and body happens. Here are 5 benefits of clapping your hands. First, it activates your energy chakras. The human body contains several energy points or centers, and clapping can help stimulate them. If you spend 10 to 15 minutes clapping your hands, you'll be able to feel the energy passing through the 7 chakras. This will activate these centers, shares yoga expert. Second, clapping can help in mental and physical stimulation. It is important for the mind and body to be strong, and clapping can be a very useful and effective way to strengthen the mind and the body. When you stimulate the physical and mental aspects through the activity of clapping early in the morning, it keeps you in a positive and upbeat mood throughout the day. This is an easy activity that can be done by anybody regardless of age and fitness level. Therefore, it is recommended to practice clapping your hands as part of your exercise routine. Physiological and Behavioral Science International Journal also ratifies the mental health benefits of clapping. It suggests that ailments like stomach issues, neck and lower pain, kidney and lung problems, etc. can also be relieved with the help of clapping. Third, it improves blood circulation. You can practice clapping your hands in seated positions such as Vajrasana or Sukhasana. It is advisable to perform this activity early in the morning. It can also be done by those who are overweight or suffering from chronic conditions, as they may not be able to involve themselves in any other form of physical exercise. So, by clapping their hands, they can improve the blood circulation and thus be able to manage issues such as hypertension or hypotension. Fourth, it brings positivity. Across many cultures, clapping of the hands is considered to be a symbol and gesture for celebration, acknowledgement, praise, encouragement, and recognition. Even during the time of worship, there are certain people who practice singing hymns of the Lord, and this is accompanied by clapping of the hands, which indicates a positive environment uplifting one's energies and vibrations. Whether it comes to playing a sport or watching a performance, clapping is used to denote positive response. 5. It engages your entire body. If you notice the act of clapping, it just doesn't involve the hands. The entire body's energy is expended during the process of clapping, and it automatically improves the mood and elevates one's energy. That's all for today. So, if you want to watch more such videos, please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you.